Visitors to the site can also access a photograph database of over 2,400 images. You will find images from Steinbeck's life, film stills, play stills, people and places in his works, images of historical context, and more. To demonstrate, we've entered Lang. Dorothea Lang was a photojournalist who took photos of people and places during the 1930s. She took the iconic photo titled Migrant Mother. It's important to make sure you are searching the Steinbeck Collection, as the site sometimes defaults to the complete library collection. Users can search the complete digital libraries collection. However, the Steinbeck Center is only responsible for the images found in our digital library. Select an image to get the full record. Looking for photographs of Steinbeck, enter his name. Here we've entered the term creech. While Steinbeck was living in Somerset, England, doing research for his novel Acts of King Arthur, he visited and participated in excavations of two historical sites. The Creech Hill site had the remains of a Roman fort. He also visited the Glastonbury Monastery site, where it was rumored King Arthur and Queen Guinevere were buried.